go, but this is song. Sing a song.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and Student Voice Podcast. So today, you as the listener and me as your host, my name is Risa, and we will talk about how to balance organizational activities with your academic achievement. But now, here, I'm not alone. I'm with my amazing friends. There is Indy as a debate competition of Smansa, and there is Naura as a beginner of organizational school in Smansa, and there is Hani as a student council of Smansa. So let's dive on this podcast. So I have many questions for my amazing friends here. First, I have a question for you, Hani. You are a student council of Smansa, right? Yeah, that's
Yes.
right. So I have a question. I have a question about how you can manage your time of organizational activities with your academic achievement in Smansa, Hani.
Hi Risa, for me it's all about time management. I always create a daily schedule that includes all my schoolwork and organizational activities. I also make a habit of noting deadlines so I don't miss anything. Plus, I try to avoid procrastination. If I finish school assignment early, I can focus on organizational work without feeling burned.
Wow, that is very crucial, Henny. So you are a good council of Smansa, right? Student council of Smansa. So how about you, Indy? You are a good debate, English debater in Smansa. You have many achievement of your debate competition. So how you can manage your time, Indy?
Hey Risa, it was stuck at first, but I learned to use my time wisely. For example, if debate practice and in the evening, I'll dedicate my night to studying. And I also use an efficient study strategy such as focusing on difficult or unfamiliar materials, and if I have free times, I'll review lighter topics.
Oh, it is very good. As you as a debate competition in Smansa, Indy. So how about you, Naura? You are a beginner on your organizational of school right now. How you can deal with this management times?
Hey Risa, for me, my biggest challenge is adapting. Sometimes my drama schedule is classes with my school homework, but I've learned to prioritize. If there is a big test coming up, I will skip my drama practice for a while. But on the other hand, if there is a important organizational event, I will try to finish my assignment early.
Wow, our member is very gorgeous because he play a music of Gewa, right? So we can play this condition with a chill time, right? Yeah. So all of people here is very good condition. So there is many people that can have a burnout, right? So how is your opinion about burnout from Hani first?
For me, it's forgetting to take breaks. Sometimes we're so busy that we overlook the fact that our bodies and minds need rest. And when we're burnt out, we can perform at our best.
Oh, that's a very good idea, Hani. It is not a good idea here, but it is a good statement. So
Yes.
it is very good. So how about you, Indy? You can talk about your opinion about burnout that have been make some people feel stressed or what? Because
I agree with Hani's statement. Another reason is when people feel they have to excel at everything, but in fact, we don't need to be perfect in everything. Just focus on what's most important.
this is your opinion, yeah, Indy.
Yes.
So how about you, Naura? You are a beginner in school organization of Smansa. So how you can deal it, or how about your opinion about burnout?
I think burnout also happens when we push ourselves too hard. So that's why I'm learning to communicate with my family, teacher, or friends when I feel struggling.
Wow, your story is very inspirational, guys. So before we end this podcast, last but not least, can I ask you something? Can you give 1K tips for our listener here about how the tips to manage our time as a organizational and balancing with our academic achievement? So from Hani first.
For me, a daily schedule is a must. Don't just make one, be disciplined about following it.
Wow, that's very inspirational, guys. So how about you, Indi?
Oh my god.
For me, study smart, not hard. Use your time efficient.
Wow, efficient
Oh
is
my
very
God.
must one. So how about you, Naura?
Don't be afraid to communicate, especially when you need help.
Wow, that's
oh my
true.
god.
Okay.
So deep,
Yeah.
deep.
Wow, this is very inspirational quotes for our friends, right?
Oh
So,
my God.
thank you to Hani, Naura, and Indy because you can have time to stand here with Student Voice Podcast. So last but not least, can you follow me if I have say Student Voice Podcast? We can say Semansa brighter future. Okay. So, let me end with this statement, right? So we can start in 3, 2, 1. Student Voice Podcast. Semansa brighter future.